are looking at the name of Allah is most almighty and merciful. This is our last video of C++. So we are going to I have made my applet so you can make it. We are going to do strings. Easily we are going to put a hash include iOS stream and then using name space std and then curly bracket. So to have string, so we are going to write hash include string, and then we are going to come down and the same thing int main in it we are going to write a string. If you had seen, if I write a is equal to hello, so there is a error in a. So I will tell you what. Stop. I will tell you why. If I put like this, if I write here int, we are going to we are going to write here int a curly bracket semicolon, and then we are going to write here we are going to write a string because there is string, so it will be string a is equal to then any what we want, hello, and then world semicolon y. There will be string a, and then we are going to see what is there. There will be not going to come string. Now you are going to run it, so it is going to show me hello and world. So we are then write a quote starting arrows a and semicolon, return expression 0 and semicolon, and we are going to run it. So it is going to show us hello, out and world. Thank you for watching my video. I am going to meet you next time. Allah.